Pastor Madungwe, the last time you met, you were talking about God visiting Zimbabwe. Now we are in 2017. What's the latest?
Yeah, this is the latest. Like I said, around the 20th October when God visited Zimbabwe, I said, prophet is going to enter heaven. So prophet has already entered the heaven, and it took almost 12 hours. Prophet was in heaven on the day number 3 December to 4 December. Prophet was in heaven from 7 p.m. 3 December to 4 December, 7 p.m. Prophet was in heaven. So this year, the latest where God is going to come again, but God is going to come between 1 January to 31 December 2017. God is going to come again, but we can elaborate what really transpired or what really took place when Prophet was in heaven.
Yes, and what happened when we
Okay. This is how it happened. The prophet, as usual, I always say the body of the prophet will be always changed from physical body to spiritual body. So my body was changed from physical to spiritual body. Then I went with the spiritual ladder. This time I never disappeared, but I went with the spiritual ladder. So I went to heaven, go straight to the heaven. Then I went, so from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. I was having some conversation with God. God was commenting about the visit of 20 October. God says, don't worry about the people, what they are saying, they're not believing it, but concentrate with your work. So that was the comment of God. But God has promised that I'm going to visit again this year.
Yes, you were talking about when you were at school?
Yeah, so at school, I was being taught some biblical stuff, even the book of law, even the book of life was being brought. We were seeing it, we were viewing it with the angels. I'm being taught a lot of spiritual things there. Then after that, I went to hell. After that, I managed to tour the hell. Although hell is not a good place, because there was fire, there was a lot of places, bad things there. But God took me to another side where people like those who commit suicide, those they are being judged highly according to the sin, and even another sin of adultery is also where I see people, those sins God does not like, the sin of suicidal and adultery and blaspheming of the Holy Spirit. Those I see them in the intensive fire of that. Although other small sins, I saw other people in hell. Then from there I moved out from there. I went back to heaven, but this time after that, in that heaven, I went to another heaven which is prepared, a new heaven and a new earth where there are some nations and everything. It's almost well completed, built. I went there, but it is totally different from this heaven we know, the earth we know. But that one, after this one is being destroyed by God, the heaven we are seeing today and this earth, after it's being destroyed, we are going to enter into that. The people who are going to qualify are going to enter into that new earth and the new heaven. So I managed to see it. It is a beautiful nation. There are many nations in there, and the heaven is well built with the thrones, with everything. But there is only angels. But now we are preparing for the God's visit event, which is going to take place in the year 2070. But God promised us that we are going to negotiate, or we are going to communicate with God when we are closer about that event. So between 1 January 2017 to 31 December 2017, God is going to be in Zimbabwe again. God is going to visit the prophet. But let me say this thing about Zimbabwe. God was just saying, I'm about to remember Zimbabwe. A good season is about to happen in Zimbabwe.
Pastor Madungwe, when you went to hell, can you describe to the viewers what hell is like?
Hell is like, hell is underneath the earth. That's the foundation of the earth, and that's where the hell lies. But hell, that's where the devil dominates, and that's where the fire is being kept. So the people who does not qualify to heaven, they went there waiting for the judgment, but they are not being relaxing as the people who are at paradise, like the apostles and the prophets, those who qualify. That is a peaceful place, the paradise. But here it's not a peaceful place because it's a tormented area. So people are being tormented there, waiting for their judgment. But after that, they're going to be taken out from here, going to another place again.
Pastor Madungwe, the last time you said you went to heaven, you had a birthday party with God, and then God visited Zimbabwe. Now you are saying you went to hell as well. A lot of feedback and comments that we have seen from the viewers and readers are saying this person is a madman.
Yeah, but that one, even when the Holy Spirit came, Jesus Christ promised that the Holy Spirit came, but when the Holy Spirit came, even the 12 disciples were waiting for the Holy Spirit to come. When the Spirit came upon them, when people saw them, they said, these people are drunk, these people are mad. So the things of the Spirit, you can try to comment or try to access what is really happening, but you cannot understand it. Even during the time of Noah, people rejected Noah, even people rejected Jesus. So that's how the world reacts. They rejected the things of God. So even Peter, with the 12 apostles, when they were receiving the Holy Spirit, they were being rejected as the madmen. So that's the same to me. Even a prophet is without honor in his hometown. So a prophet is not received in his hometown. So this testifies to me that I am a true prophet of God, because Zimbabweans are rejecting me. Some of my fellow Zimbabweans are saying I'm mad. They're commenting sorts of things, but that proves to me that I am a prophet of God, because a prophet does not receive in his hometown, and a prophet from God, no one will receive a prophet.
But then what signs can be seen or be tagged by ordinary people to believe that what you are saying is true?
Or is it true? First of all, people, they can ask God, or they can see me direct, because people, they are just commenting. They are seeing me on TV, on YouTube, or social media. They don't know me. But if they see me, they can see that I am a normal person. I talk to person, I can interview, I can have some interviews and everything. So I'm not a mad person. So the highest level for accessing me, they can just have one-on-one. They can visit to our church in Harare, in the capital city. They can see me one-on-one direct.